students, welcome back to your VVPS e-learning class. Today I am going to demonstrate the last chapter of your periodic exam, lesson 20, that is letter writing. In this, you have to write one letter which I can demonstrate you today. So, you have to complete this letter in your fair copy of English language. So, let's begin with the chapter, beta. So, come to the lesson. Students, this is your lesson 20 of English grammar, that is letter writing. Today I am going to demonstrate, first of all, what do you mean by letter? Letter is a written means of communication between two persons. Letters are mainly of two kinds, formal and informal. Means letter is a written means of communication, means in which we write anything to communicate with others between two persons. Letters are mainly of two kinds. It is formal, when we send it officially to principal and other respective persons, it is formal, and when we give the letters to our colleagues or our relatives, it is informal. Okay, so let's begin with the chapter. So first of all, you mention, so students, in your English language fair copy, first of all mention today's date, that is 26/9/20. At the right side classwork, mention lesson 20, that is letter writing. This is your work of English language. So letter writing. Letter is a written means of communication between two persons. Letters are mainly of two kinds, that are formal letter and informal letter. So you give this definition of this. Next, one question is given in your book that you have to complete in your fair copy. You are the son, daughter of your school's gardener. Your father is finding it very hard to pay you and your brother's school fee. Write an application to the principal of your school requesting her for half fee concession for you both. So you can complete it like this. You have to write a formal letter to the principal, Vishnu Bhagwan Public School, Jhalwa, Prayagraj. Subject is application for half fee concession. Means this question is saying that you are a son or daughter of your school's gardener. Means you are the son or daughter of gardener. So your father is finding it very difficult to pay you and your brother's school fee. So you have to write an application to principal of your school requesting him for half fee concession. So you can start writing like this. First of all, to the principal, Vishnu Bhagwan Public School, Jhalwa, Prayagraj. You have to mention the subject also, application for half fee concession. Come to the next. After that you can write, sir, most respectfully I intend to you, sir, that please give us half fee concession for us so my father can easily pay the fees, so our studies will never suffer from crisis of money. We easily continue our education in your school. Thank you, sir. Today's date 26/9/20 and your obedient Yagya Sahu. You can mention your name here. Okay, you can mention Aprajita or whatever your name is. So you can complete it like this, and you write this letter in your English language fair copy, and in lesson 20 you have to complete this letter in a neat and clean handwriting. Use blue and black pen, and also you have to learn this whole letter. So complete it in your fair copy and try to learn it. Okay, and you have to complete all the previous chapters also and write it into neat and clean handwriting, and spelling should be correct, and give one line space like this as I have completed. You have to complete in a neat and clean handwriting. So you have to complete it properly, and you have to tell you that I am going to tell you about that. You have to, if you have faced any problem in letter writing, you can ask me in the class also and complete it properly. Okay, so you can complete it nicely in your fair copy of English language. And if you have feel any problem, you can ask me in the class. Okay beta? And what is your homework of today's? That you have to learn this whole letter writing lesson. Learn it properly, and after that you can write it in rough copy and practice this one more time, so you can get confident to write a formal letter of your own. Okay beta, thank you.